Alright, this is the afternoon on Wednesday. We're getting whiteout conditions. As you can see, it's piling up against the garage door again. Pretty deep. I don't know if the reflection is going to allow it or not. But you can see how the snow is just glowing. Wow. Wind gusts are up to 40 miles an hour, whiteout conditions, and it feels like zero with the wind. It's 18 degrees right now. My neighbor's tree just completely covered at his driveway. I find this totally amazing. Go around the corner here. I'll get my head wet. Wow. You can hear it. This is pretty incredible. I understand there's 4 inches of snow in Anchorage, Alaska, and today alone we have 20. Something's wrong. Global warming, I tell you. Global warming. Today is the 10th of February.